And what that aerial flood advisory is areas that are more prone to flooding in urban areas with poor drainage or small streams. Those clouds that have been around today will slowly but surely be clearing the area as high pressure builds into our neck of the woods. We can see in Delaware County, and we'll see just exactly where some of that heaviest rainfall is occurring at this time. We'll see.
I mean, it's not so nice outside.
No. Yeah, what a day to start indeed. It was cool and cloudy today, almost like sweater weather, but keep those pumpkin spice lattes to yourself for now. Right now. State College and Du Bois both at 57 degrees, which is where that rainfall has been sticking around for most of the day today. Frost advisory in effect for the southern tier overnight tonight, but some warmer weather is in the forecast. I'll bring you the details. And look at this, by 6 a.m., still widespread 40s to start off the day. But as we go through the afternoon, southwest winds kick in, plenty of sun, mid-70s for highs then on Thursday. Now, there will be detours around Front Street when the project gets underway in March, and the construction is expected to be complete by November of next year.
Today.
Yeah, Jackie, I'm not sure why we're in here. I think we should grab these cameras and head outside and just do the news.
I think you're right.
Outside for the day today. Indeed, a beautiful spring day for us. We had that sun shining, and look at this from our tower cam. Raindrop, and then fall through that warmer air before falling into that colder air, and it then refreezes and turns into a little ice ball, which is then our sleet. Well, with cold temperatures around today, those will stick around for the night tonight. Look at tomorrow's morning temperatures. We're widespread 40s by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, how long will this cold air stick around? I'll explain right after the break.
Nathan, a pretty, you played some hoops here in the studio. Got you all excited.
I love basketball.
Well, a pretty... Well, not too bad out there today, but rain is on the way tomorrow, Nathan.
Yeah, that's right. Today was mild but dry for the most part. Temperatures we're in the 70s and 80s. 81 in Altoona, the big winner today. 79 in Ligonier. That was the second place winner for high temperatures today. And the temperatures are still fairly mild, but we're also seeing some showers moving into our northern counties. St. Mary's, Du Bois is seeing some light rainfall now as well. And even farther off toward the west, we're seeing some thunderstorms moving across the Ohio-Pennsylvania border. So this whole complex here that's right now moving through the Ohio River Valley is we're watching very carefully for you. And that's what's going to shake up things for the second half of our weekend. Of course, I'll explain more of what those rain showers and even some storms mean for us in just a few minutes. Well, we've got a lot to talk about, so we'll jump right into the current temperatures and see temperatures already in the upper 70s and low 80s without humidities up there as well. We see temperatures 86 in Appalachian, 81 in Walton, 79 right now at the airport, but warmer at those lower elevations. We're seeing 82 degrees right now in Green. And here's the dew points. It's the measure of moisture in the air. We're seeing those dew points up there as well. Downright tropical across the area. We're seeing dew points around 70 degrees across the board, with downstate seeing dew points in the mid-70s. Now, we have heat. We've got moisture. The next thing we need is a forcing to make some thunderstorms, and that forcing is right here in this form of this cold front, and that's motoring eastward toward us and strengthening as it moves across the upper Great Lakes as well. So this is what we're keeping our eyes glued to, and we can see that cold front extending down right through the Ohio River Valley and down into southern Indiana and Illinois, and already severe thunderstorm warning issued for western New York State. So again, we're keeping our eyes glued to this and tracking it as it's moving across western New York. But just a few clouds in our area. I do expect filtered sun to mainly clear skies through the day today, which is just adding to this ingredients for some severe weather in the afternoon. And this has actually expanded now toward the south and west, the enhanced area, the enhanced risk for severe weather. That's 3 to 5 on the severe weather risk scale, and that includes all the twin tiers for us here this evening. So here's what we're looking for today's severe weather threat. More sun we see today, that more destabilization we have of the atmosphere, the more energy these storms can have. Now, the storms begin after about 4 p.m., but I don't expect the main front to be here until about 5 o'clock or so in our western counties. But damaging winds and heavy rains right now are still the primary threat, but a large hail and a tornado is not out of the question. I expect a tornado watch to be coming soon. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center says they will be issuing a tornado watch here in the next hour to 2 hours here for the Twin Tiers this afternoon. Here's our future track and see. By 3:30, may see an isolated shower or storm moving through as it comes across the area. This could be strong as it moves from southwest to northeast. Temperatures by 3:30 in the mid-80s to maybe even upper 80s, but by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, that's where I'm watching for the brunt of this cold front to stroll through the area. We do see a well-defined line of showers and storms pushing through, but temperatures on the back end of that do get a little cooler, back to around 70 degrees. But still, after that front pushes through, by 11 o'clock, I expect the even the brunt of that moisture to be cleared out, leaving behind just a chance of some isolated showers, perhaps a storm lingering overnight tonight. But then basically after these storms tonight and the lingering showers overnight into tomorrow, I do expect mainly quiet conditions for the rest of the 7-day forecast period. So we're keeping our eyes, of course, keeping our main focus on what's happening tonight. And of course, stick with us on Twitter, on Facebook, right here on 12 News, and on the app as well, as we'll have the absolute latest for you as Howard and I, and Brian as well, will be tracking this for you all through the afternoon. As we can see, by 1 o'clock, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the low 80s, but then by 5 p.m. onward, that's when I'm expecting those showers and storms to be affecting a majority of the area here across the southern tier. So for tonight, temperatures in the mid-80s, that 100% chance of showers and storms, with some of them being severe. By Wednesday, cooler, temperatures in the upper 70s, and then once we get toward the end of the week, we're seeing highs in the upper 60s and low 70s with mostly sunny skies for the rest of the 7-day forecast period.
All right, so Nathan, what you're talking about with this severe weather here, not looking too promising for tonight's Rumble Ponies game.
It's looking dicey. I don't know. It's going to be tough, especially with the chance for severe weather. I don't want to take any risks and have anybody out there. But again, that's not my call. That's their call, but it's not.